This is the entrance. This is the main. This is like the driveway. Then the corner side wall, and this is the house. The one that with window is the master bedroom. The lower one is the garage. So you can see here the cute Christmas trees, and then steps to the house. Then number 44, and you come in with this one, and this is the kitchen. You can put small table here for eat in. The upper kitchen, the master bedroom, the closet, and the washroom for the master bedroom. There's a step here, so 2 steps. So the kitchen has tiles, and the other one is carpeted. Another door for the kitchen. This is the door to the basement, and then this is like not as big room as it is, and then one closet, and then this is the washroom, upper washroom with cute shower. We need to put the curtain, blue color. Okay, yes. And then this is Momo's room, Papa's room with blinds, and this is the closet, mirrored closet. You can see outside. And this is the backyard. Okay. And the other room